Welcome to the Academic Institute of Excellence, where futures are made. We are proud to host our students at our campus in Midrand, in the old Oracle building. This campus is uniquely situated between Johannesburg and Pretoria, serving both areas and fast becoming a hotspot for academic institutions. Our secure office block has 24/7 security with loads of parking to ensure the safety and convenience of our students. Our number one priority is the health and safety of our students. AIE fully supports the presidential lockdown rules and regulations and has implemented various OHS procedures to ensure a healthy work environment, healthy workforce and a healthier country. As you arrive at our AIE Midrand campus, you are greeted by our friendly security staff members. Your temperature will be measured, and your hands will need to be sanitized before signing in and being granted access to our premises. We have ample parking for our students and staff. You can either park your car, or walk in through the boom towards the main entrance. The main entrance provides easy access to the building. Here, you will be greeted by a friendly customer hero who will help you find your way around the campus. Let's take a tour of our Midrand campus. On the left of the reception area, you will find our fully stocked, comprehensive library, and a friendly librarian to assist you. Our library is stocked with 6 desktop computers with Wi-Fi access, readily available for your research needs. We also have computer labs available for use during teaching time slots. Each classroom is kitted with the relevant hardware and software required for the program you are enrolled for. All rooms are kitted out with a projector and screen for easy viewing during lectures. Next to the library, you will find our boardrooms. These are also equipped with projectors and a desktop used for conference calls. The boardrooms are mostly used by our staff members. Let's go back to the reception area and see what other facilities our Midrand campus offers our students. If we walk past the reception area, we move into the atrium, where students have ample space to work from in between classes. To the right, we have the study kit section, where you will collect your student kit at the start of your academic journey. If we walk a little further, you will find our fully kitted canteen with access to an outside balcony. The canteen is open to students, staff, and visitors to purchase full lunches, snacks, and cold drinks. This space is for you to sit and chill, socialize, or work. Just off the canteen area, to the right, you will see a fully equipped gym that caters for your exercise needs. This is an optional extra for students, and is well utilized. One of our physical campus highlights is our rooftop. Our rooftop stretches over the length of the building and is easy to access. It boasts one of the most beautiful views of Midrand and its surrounds. It is a place that both students and staff enjoy. We have multiple recreational areas around our campus. Our recreational areas are conducive to maintaining the well-being of our students and staff. On the first floor, you will find the engineering classrooms. All our classrooms are clearly labeled for your convenience. These classrooms are equipped with a projector and screen, and either a desktop or laptop for our lecturers to present their classes with ease. Our My Way hybrid learning is a technology-driven method that includes the flexibility of both online, virtual learning, and on-campus learning. This allows students access to download all classes at their convenience and to avoid falling behind due to unforeseen circumstances. It also allows for cross-campus teaching with the best lecturers available.
Well, hybrid learning is a name that we gave to a specific methodology that we are introducing now. And it has to do with 2 things. Number one is going online. The second part of it is that we can simultaneously broadcast the class that is being done in campus out to whoever is enrolled for the course. which makes it very easy for us to teach or to train a lot of more people simultaneously. We have got people coming into class, but we also get students that could not get to the class on that day, could stay at home and just switch on their computer and follow the class live. And then you've got people that could not at all be near a computer for the day or in campus, and they can download that video and look at the class later, even if it's not live. Together with what we've put on as a recording of the class, there's also a thing we call an assembly, which consists out of more YouTube videos maybe that they can visit, more other recordings that we've done, more reference to articles. So there's additional information that is easy to make available to students at home as well. We also have the advantage of using the best of both worlds, so we can use the best of our lecturers in Midrand lecturing to the guys in Cape Town and vice versa. And it is very interesting to know that AIE is now not confined by space or by time actually. With our hybrid learning method, we can almost reach anybody any time of day, and that makes AIE an exciting place to study at.
My Way Hybrid Learning, proudly brought to you by the Academic Institute of Excellence.
On the second floor, in the Blue Hall, you will find the exam center. We are a registered NBT, National Benchmark Testing, exam venue. This exam is used by many universities to measure an individual's academic readiness for university exemption. Our next stop, the engineering labs that are in the basement. We house 3 labs, electrical, mechanical, and civil workshops. We take you on a tour of the electrical engineering lab to see what can be done in the lab itself. AIE prides itself in ensuring that our students get the hands-on training they need to become the best in their field. Let's go back upstairs and visit the Makers Lab. It consists of a fully furnished fabrication lab to give the student cutting-edge training to stay ahead of the pack.
Hi, this is the Makers Lab, essentially a part of the Makers Academy, and this is where we really bring out the maker in the designer. So this maker space will allow students to explore the realm of prototyping within the design realm, really bringing them into the shoes of the people who are fabricating what they are creating. So in the Makers Lab, we've got a couple of workstations which will allow the students to explore various different modes of making, adjusting their design processes along the way to suit this making idea. So as part of the making process, we often get the opportunity to make a very, very complex three-dimensional form which involves different types of manufacturing processes. As part of this manufacturing process, we utilize 3D printing to create additive prototyping models, which will allow students to explore highly complex three-dimensional form and produce that relatively quickly with high amounts of accuracy. Now, due to the fact that this is an additive process, we often see the opportunity to replicate the same project and the same process repeatedly, not being compatible with three-dimensional printing. So as part of this space, we will also be exploring mold making, where we can take highly complex three-dimensional parts which we printed and generate soft molds to very, very rapidly replicate those with high amounts of accuracy, bringing students not only into the prototyping process, but making them think about replication and production afterwards as well.
What is Fusion 360? Fusion 360 is a cloud-based CAD, CAM, and CAE tool for collaborative product development. Fusion 360 combines fast and easy organic modeling with precise solid modeling, allowing you to make your designs manufacturable. So, of course, we can all read this right off the website, but what is it really? Well, Fusion 360 is an innovative approach to modeling. It has enough flexibility to let virtually any user approach the design process however they like. So, what do I mean? Well, let's say you're a shoe designer and you want to quickly come up with some concepts for new shapes to 3D print and explore in the real world. In other CAD software, you would typically start with lots of sketches. Those sketches would turn into a surface and patches get knitted together or stitched together. Then through this method, you start building a solid body. Now, this solid body or group of surfaces to help explore these concepts is often time-consuming. But with Fusion 360's form tools, you can quickly make a complex shape, transition to a solid model, and export it to an STL or NetFab to 3D print in a matter of minutes, rather than hours or days. Now, let's say that you're a machinist. You're sent a CAD file that needs an NC program, but first it needs a few edits to make it machinable. With Fusion 360's direct modeling, you can manipulate the model quickly, even if it wasn't created in Fusion 360. You can then review it with a client using share links and be on your way to programming it in no time. Now, how about a mechanical engineer looking to create a complex assembly? Fusion 360's clever approach to parts and assemblies in a single file makes this process of conceptualizing mechanical motion both quick and easy. And the ability to use a large set of simulation tools to validate your design easily during the early stages, helping you make informed decisions. In other CAD systems, you have to follow a rigid set of rules when modeling, but those days are over. Fusion 360 gives you the flexibility you need to design the products of tomorrow, today. These are just a few examples of ways that Fusion 360 gives you the freedom to design, rather than just model.
As part of the Makers Lab, we also host two main manufacturing machines, one of which being our CNC router. This is a 3-axis CNC router, X, Y, and Z, and we'll use it to create quite complex three-dimensional products which can be assembled from loosely machined parts. Now, students can take a stock piece of material and cut out these pre-designed profiles and then assemble them afterwards to a final product which they can then market and take to manufacturers to reproduce as well.
Experience the power to design, build, create, the power to turn ideas into reality, and the power to do it all better and faster than ever before. Welcome to the future of design. Welcome to AutoCAD 2022. AutoCAD is a CAD leader with best-in-class 2D drafting and 3D design, trusted by millions of designers and drafters. And AutoCAD 2022 is leading the next generation of design by tapping into intelligent automation technology to empower designers like never before. By automating time-consuming tasks, enabling users to focus on the most valuable design work. by including features like Count that eliminate manual counting and errors, or with Trace, a feature that streamlines collaboration and reviews without altering the existing drawing. And to accomplish industry tasks faster and with more precision, AutoCAD's industry-specific toolsets could help users realize impressive productivity gains averaging 63%. And because Autodesk products are made to work together, projects designed in AutoCAD work seamlessly across tools and teams. Leverage the power of AutoCAD, no matter the place or platform. Mac, PC, laptop, mobile, and cloud. In the office or in your home. The included web and mobile apps in AutoCAD 2022 let you work wherever, whenever, or on whatever device you want, and using the cloud storage platform that you prefer. From the job site to your backyard, keep your projects on track while away from the office with the AutoCAD mobile app. Design, edit, and access your DWGs right on your mobile device. And for essential CAD drafting tools from any computer, there's the AutoCAD web app. Simply log in and get to work in a web browser, connecting to your DWG files in Autodesk Drive, Autodesk Docs, and third-party cloud storage providers, drafting with the same precision and fidelity you've come to expect. The 2022 AutoCAD connected experience across desktop, web, and mobile also features Share, which delivers peace of mind by providing control over who can access and edit your files. AutoCAD, the tools you desire, the innovation you deserve.
Our other main manufacturing component here in the Makers Lab is our CO2 laser cutter, which is quite a large one. This is a dynamic piece of equipment that can cut a variety of materials. It does cut in a two-dimensional aspect, so left, right, up and down, and it can cut up to 12 millimeters in thickness. Now this does cut a variety of materials such as plastics, such as Perspex and your polyglass. It does cut wood and even paper, and we can engrave on a variety of materials such as glass and metal as well. It's a very rapid prototyping component and will allow students to very quickly explore the fabrication process and can assist them in a flat pack design process as well.
At the backbone of AIE is our IT infrastructure. Check out our server and printer rooms used by our staff and student support services. Our internal IT gurus are tasked with maintaining our network, maintaining the AIE intranet, basic printer and maintenance installations, providing access control passes, camera, maintenance, installation, and footage review, server backups, setting up computer labs, maintaining hardware, support our full staff complement at both campuses, and softphone support for communication with our internal and external clients. Our next stop is our support and lecturing office areas. This is where the magic happens, with our qualified support staff ensuring the students get the best academic assistance during the duration of studies with AIE. Our student support team delivers quality, personalized academic supporting services to students to provide a successful and satisfactory academic journey. Our lecturers possess the necessary tertiary education requirements as well as practical, hands-on experience to best prepare students to become problem solvers and think critically. AIE strives to empower our students to become the next generation of visionaries and industry leaders. Lastly marked on the map is the exits, first aid room and toilets.